To download or install World of Tanks Heat on Steam, free to download. Number 1. Connect to a stable internet connection. Turn on Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Make sure internet speed is stable. Avoid disconnecting during download. Open Steam. Download and install Steam. Open your browser, download Steam Installer, run the setup file, complete Steam installation, launch Steam. 3. Sign into your Steam account. Open Steam, enter your Steam account details, create a new account if needed, log into Steam successfully. Number 4. Search for World of Tanks Heat. Open Steam Store, click the search bar, type World of Tanks Heat, open the official game page. Number 5. Check system requirements. Scroll down on the game page, compare minimum requirements with your PC, update drivers if necessary. Make sure your PC supports the game. Number 6. Click Play Game or Install. Press the green Play Game or Install button, choose installation location, confirm installation settings, start downloading the game. Number 7. Free up storage space, open settings, storage, delete unnecessary files, apps. Make enough free space available. Continue installation. 8. Wait for download to complete. Keep Steam open during download. Avoid pausing internet connection. Let Steam finish downloading files. Wait for installation to complete. 9. Verify game files if needed. Open Steam Library, right-click the game, select Properties, go to Installed Files, click Verify Integrity of Game Files. 10. Launch and set up the game. Open Steam Library, click Play, allow first-time setup files, adjust graphics settings if needed. Start playing World of Tanks Heat.